If you can hear a noise from the outside, I actually cannot figure out how to close my windows, so I have a slight issue. Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to basically be doing like a prep with me for Halloween. I'm just going to do a bunch of like festive things. It's actually like 11 o'clock right now and I'm really tired, so I'm going to try and make this quick. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is decorating my room. I don't have like that many things to decorate with, but I still thought this would be like fun to film. So my mum actually bought me a ton of different things because I told her I really wanted Halloween decorations. So thanks mum. So the first things that she got me were these like wee ceramic pumpkins. I actually thought that on top this was a snowman and I was really confused, but I think it's a ghost. Also, I don't know what any of this stuff is from, but I know that Tesco have some cheap things, which would be good. Next she got me these like window stickers. They look like these. I'm gonna put some of these in our kitchen actually, so like I won't use all of this stuff. She also got me 5 boxes of these fairy lights. My room's gonna look great. I don't actually know where to put any of this stuff, I'm not gonna lie. This light is so bright. So I'm gonna start with these ceramic pumpkins. I think first pumpkin's gonna go here. Wow, looks better already. My second one I think I will just put up there. I don't know. Do they look okay? For these stickers, I think I might just use these ones for my room. So I put those ones there, and then I also just put this wee cat there because I thought it was so cute. The last thing that I have are the lights. I really do not know where I want to put these, but I have so many of them that I guess I can put them everywhere. Also, please ignore the fact that I'm literally in pyjamas right now. As I've mentioned, it's very late and I'm tired. These are quite batteries. I don't have any batteries. I'm finished with the lights. I still have 1 box left, but I'm not gonna lie, I've run out of ideas of where to put them. There's really not that much space for like 5 sets of fairy lights. I've put 1 set there. I did want it up there, but as you saw, this is actually stressing me out. I had quite the struggle with it. I then also put a set up here. Like this doesn't look that great, but I don't know. I really ran out of ideas. I've put a set along my windowsills, and then I put a set over my mirror. So those are all the decorations I had to decorate with. I do have like a light up, what was it? I do have a light up ghost, but I put that in the kitchen. You know, I wanted to spread the festivities everywhere. I was actually about to go to bed and I just realised that I was going to show you me buying some of my Halloween costume, some parts from my Halloween costume. I know most people are usually like, oh, I'm not going to tell you so this is a surprise, but I really don't think anyone is that concerned about what my Halloween costume is, so I'm just going to tell you. So basically I'm going as Captain Hook, Danny's going as Peter Pan, so I need to buy myself a Captain Hook hat and an actual like hook to have as a decoration. I'm not going to use the hook. And then I need to buy Danny's Peter Pan hat as well. Only thing is, I think now we might need 2 costumes because I have like 2 separate Halloween plans. So I'm really going to have to think of something else. Oh my gosh, the shipping on this website is so expensive. Okay, so I just went onto this website and they have like kind of cheap accessories for costumes. I don't really know what the actual costumes are like, but I have everything here. I don't know if I'm going to place the order now actually because I'm not 100% sure I really want to wear that pirate's hat. So I'm going to look through a couple more ideas, but actually I might just put this order in to be quite honest. But yeah, that's everything I'm filming today. I'm going to keep filming tomorrow. I know that I'm definitely having a pumpkin carving competition with some of my friends, and then Danny and I are going to make a pumpkin pie. So I'll see what other festive things I'm doing. Can you see me if I stand straight?
Yeah. Right, I believe first thing we need to do is we need to blind bake these things.
So now we're going to make a pumpkin pie. The first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So we just moved the count up a bit to give a better...
Are you allowed profanity?
I'm gonna say no.
So we'll give you a rundown of the ingredients. We have soy milk, because this is vegan.
That's not soy milk, you big idiot.
Yes, soy cream. Pumpkin pie puree. Some pastry, some dairy-free butter, some flour.
We're not using the flour.
Some arrowroot.
Some what?
Arrowroot.
Arrowroot?
I don't know what this is, but apparently it's a substitute for egg. Oh my god, my eye's so swollen. Also, we were meant to be doing pumpkin carving today, but we're going to do it tomorrow instead because of this.
I don't think we're going to blind bake it. Oh no, because it's on the bottom. Should we blind bake it? I'll blind bake it for like 5 minutes.
Also, we just watched Bake Off. So this is actually our Bake Off next year video.
200.
What do you call it? Entry video for Bake Off next year. Also, we're not making it as a pie, we're making it as
Pilots.
pilots.
This good then. Oh, which side did I use?
It's the lollipop.
Are we sure?
Yep.
Top tip of the video: if you disinfect the side, make sure you know which side it is.
Right now we're just cutting our pilots. We did make pumpkin pie last year and it turned out really yummy, but we also made it this year again.
And it was.
Not good. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah. What?
Oh no.
Oh. I hope the lighting's okay as well. Sorry if it's not.
I kind of want to eat some of this pastry. Guanable, because I don't think there's anything, there's no raw eggies.
It doesn't taste of anything. Also, we got all the ingredients from Waitrose. We are aware Waitrose is expensive. It would not be my choice to go.
It is available from any other supermarket.
But all these ingredients are available everywhere else. And we just got it because... What's that? That was a pint of pumpkins earlier. We just got it because they just got a Waitrose card.
Yeah, we did.
The student hacks.
Stop eating the pastry! On the nights you feel outnumbered. Oh, so you're going to get demonetized.
So these are our pilots.
I'm going to bake this blindly. We need to pick it.
My foot's
Wait.
so I can't move.
Right now we're going to make the filling.
Oh, that's good.
Oh wait, is it vegan?
Yeah, it's
It
vegan.
says it's vegetarian, it doesn't say it's vegan.
It's just ingredient pumpkin.
Stop.
This recipe is in cups. So we've added a tin of pumpkin puree and now we're adding a quarter cup of brown sugar.
What a cup. Slop.
Third of a cup of soy milk.
It says almond on it, but
No, it doesn't, it says soy.
not on the recipe, you dingus. I know you want thing.
A tablespoon of olive oil.
See what's in it? Olive oil. Son took how many cloves? 1 3/4 teaspoons. How many cloves is that? Good for you. What else?
Smells like Christmas.
So have a look at the pancakes, Mac G.
Oh.
Are they puffed up?
Oh, it's puff pastry.
Oh no.
Oh, guys.
Moving on. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon.
That's not a teaspoon.
It's a tablespoon.
Bit of salt, bit of salt.
2.5 tablespoons of arrowroot.
But we don't own that.
We think we might have to remake tomorrow.
I think it's nice and buttery though.
I think we're going to have a lot of mixture left over, so if you're following our technique,
Don't.
don't. We're going in. For how long?
Right, we're done.
We're going to take them out now. Right?
Yeah, what are you taking them or am I taking them? They don't look that bad. I bet they've got a soggy bum though. We might have just created a masterpiece. Ah, yeah. Crispy. It was very cloudy.
And he was.
It's very cloudy.
I don't know if I like it.
I like it. This is, as pumpkin pies go, this is better. Yeah, well. A bit too much, too heavy on the clove, but Juliet doesn't like anything.
I liked the pumpkin pie last time. So maybe I don't know.
Don't like pumpkin pie.
Maybe I just don't like pumpkin pie. Right. So we're going to do some pumpkin carving today. We're going to do like a competition. We did this last year. So Danny's doing it and Iona.
So, Iona, tell me about the tool that you're using in your hand.
Right, well, this is the pen that I'm going to use to do the preliminary tracing onto my pumpkin. Then I'm going to cut it.
Oh.
I've got some Pinterest ideas.
Now we're using tea lights and not actual candles, so you can have big holes. You know what I mean? I always avoided going for big holes before because then the wind blows the candles out.
Smart thinking.
Thank you.
Also, our address for Halloween.
Oh,
It might not be very good. But I also ordered a very ugly, chunky baby necklace because that's what she seems to be wearing in a lot of her photos.
For Halloween, we're going as the Spice Girls.
But Iona, tell me what you're planning. Don't tell me what you're doing. What's the theme?
Well, originally I was thinking something a bit more advanced, but now I'm just going to keep it simple.
It's a good plan.
Old school, simple but effective.
Good.
Can't go wrong.
Jules?
Well, last year I went for a Nightmare Before Christmas theme.
I like how we're whispering just in case.
Just not looking at me. And I'm doing the same this year. Not the same design, but the same theme.
Daniel?
Why are you cleaning your pumpkin? Danny wanted to cheat and actually go as a pear, but...
Nope.
It's not a pear, it's a pumpkin.
Jules, when you edit this, can you put some intense bake-off?
Oh no.
Juliet wanted me to just tell you that we have a mouldy one, but you know, didn't make the cut. The first incision.
10 blade. That's from Gwen's Anatomy.
So we've had some dilemma because they are doing each other's designs from last year without knowing.
Wow, class of this. This bit's all gold.
Amazing.
I actually got an A in high art.
Oh, that one.
Oh.
This is so intense.
Well, I think the first eye is going on.
And that's actually not that bad.
My new hairband, it's from Pretty Little Thing. I got it on sale.
So Iona, give us an update on your creation.
Okay, so far we're one eye in. I think it's going okay.
Wow, I love that. Jules?
I haven't really got that far yet, but it's going well.
Danny?
Better than I've done yet, but it's going to go wrong at some point, so just I'll tell you when.
We'll come back in 5 minutes.
I reckon we should go trick or
Do
treating.
people trigger? Like if you go,
Yeah.
Trick or treating in flats unless you live.
you know what I mean? Again, still nothing's gone. Touch wood.
How did dentists spend 5 years studying the teeth? What's everyone having for tea tonight?
I don't know, Danny, what do you want for tea?
Do you want tea?
Yeah,
I was gonna get a Biaggi, but probably shouldn't.
I'm having stuffed peppers.
Oh, that was close to my finger.
There are 2 eyes and both nostrils in. However, may have to widen them out a little bit. But I think I'm just going to get started on the smile.
His makeup's a bit smudged, but he's still carrying on.
Juliet here at the end.
Yeah, I've not got very far.
Well, I'm done.
I'm trying my
Try to
best.
get them out.
Let's just.
Make
Oh,
this
the
tea.
resemblance is uncanny.
I think Juliet's going to lose.
Stop! Update, Iona's finished.
Just need to clean off some of these.
Okay.
I think it came out alright.
So now, we're just waiting on Jules.
Oh, she might be a while.
I still think I'm done.
Oh, yeah.
I feel alright about it. I mean, I'll put the light in and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so my top doesn't fit on it. I'm gonna
It's so dark.
the middle one. Who is that? Danny! I like this one. This one's very artistic. That's mine. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any requests, then please comment them below. I'm sorry if the lighting wasn't that great. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if the lighting wasn't that great.
I'm
It's
not.
just because we. It's just.
I hate lighting.
It's because we're filming it at night. But I will see you.
No, we won't.
But I'll see you in my next video.
No, she won't.